So hello guys, welcome back. Today we are here again with our trading setup. So let's have a quickly recap our previous trades which we given on our Telegram group. So the very first trade is Nifty 50 on 27th of October. So as we discussed in our previous post, this particular script is in downtrend, formed a rising wedge pattern. This particular breakout level, Nifty gives a very sharp down rally. So for now, this is a clear-cut range for Nifty. As predicted in our previous videos, 17930 is a strong level. After this level, Nifty gives a sharp downside move. There is still a space for downside rally, but as we can see in previous time, when this Nifty comes in this range, it gets heavily volatile. So here we are looking to avoid trade within this range. If in upcoming sessions Nifty break these levels, we can go short. So now let's move in hourly time frame. Nifty is here at a support. There is still gap pending to fill. This gap may fulfill in upcoming sessions. In 15-minute time frame, we can see Nifty is forming a double bottom like pattern. So if this particular script broke this level, we can go long up to these levels. We cannot take a higher target. Now let's talk about Bank Nifty. This particular trend line is holding Bank Nifty. As we can see, this particular trend line is giving support to Bank Nifty various times. If this particular trend line break in upcoming session, we can go short below this range. Otherwise, we can plan our trade in bullish momentum. Basically, in upcoming session, I am going to avoid trades because there is volatile market. If any particular trade or high risk reward ratio trade found in live market, I will update in Telegram group, so be active on that group. Don't blindly buy or sell on my recommendation. Just match your analysis with that. If you feel good, then you can probably enter that trade. So let's have some stocks for tomorrow's trading session. First of all, we have Motherson Sumi. In daily time frame, as we can see, this particular script is taking support at these levels at various times, now giving a breakout in downside move. So we can predict from here bearish momentum to continue in upcoming sessions also. Let's have a look over in hourly time frame. As we can see here, this is at a support level. This particular support is tested various times. So now if it gives breakdown, we can trade Motherson Sumi for the targets up to 212 levels. In intraday, we can plan our targets up to 218 levels. If we zoom out, we can see a head and shoulder type pattern. So we get a double confirmation for this trade. So our next stock is NMDC. In this particular script, after a downside rally, we can see a W type pattern formation. Here we can clearly see a bullish engulfing candle which shows a clear trend reversal, or also we can see a double bottom pattern formation on lower levels. In hourly time frame, as we can see, inverted head and shoulder type pattern. So we can trade this particular script for upside move at a retest or the target up to 146 or 147 levels. So our third stock is Hindustan Petroleum. As we can see in daily time frame, after this breakout level, after this uptrend, it formed a double top pattern. Let's have a look in hourly time frame. It gives a clear-cut breakout of double tops pattern neckline. In tomorrow's trading session, if this particular script go below this level, we can trade this particular script for lower side up to the target of 300 down level. One more pick for tomorrow's trading session is Bharti Airtel. This particular script is forming a bearish pole and flag pattern. After this particular range breakout or this pattern breakout, we can go short in Bharti Airtel. Let's see in hourly time frame. This particular script is also forming a double top pattern, so we can get a double confirmation below these levels. So you can plan this trade according to your risk reward ratio. Have a nice trading day for tomorrow.